Welcome back. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to edit a contact name on Telegram using the latest version of the app. Whether you want to fix a typo, add a last name, or personalize your contact list, this process is simple and only takes a few seconds. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats and contacts. Once you're inside Telegram, open the chat with the person whose name you want to edit. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find them quickly. After opening the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on your friend's name. This will take you to their profile page, where you can see more details about the contact. Next, locate the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open a small menu with additional options. From that menu, tap on Edit Contact. This is where you can update the contact's information. Now you'll see the current name fields. Simply change the name however you like. You can edit the first name, last name, or both, depending on your preference. Once you've made your changes, tap on Done to save the updated contact name. And that's it. The new name will now appear in your chat list and contact profile, making it easier to recognize and organize your conversations. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.